Hello, my sweetie cutie and lovely mathematical lovers. You know 3 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 6. This is worldwide proof mathematical statement. But last time I proved that 3 multiplication by 2, which is equals to 8, by breaking the fundamental rules of mathematics. But I didn't reveal where exactly is the mistake during this calculation. So today I will reveal where exactly is the mistake and where did I break the ground rules of mathematics. Today's video is all about revealing the mistake that I made during the calculation of 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So stick with me and see how I reveal the mistake in this calculation. Before that, I want to go through the entire mathematical calculation once again. I started with this one, 3 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 6. That we know, everyone. 6 can be rewritten as 6 minus 0. That means 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Mathematically, this statement is correct. Mathematically, that statement is also correct. I can rewrite this one as 6 minus 7 plus 7. Because minus 7 and plus 7, they cancel each other. It's remaining the 6 that is written in the previous statement. That means this is equals to that one. This one also mathematically correct. There is no problem. So los geht's in the next statement. In German, los geht's means let's go. Introducing here 6 minus 7a square. To make it equal to this statement, I want to do this square root. Plus 7 from here. That means this square and this square root, they are cancelling each other and remaining is 6 minus 7, which is that one. Technically, this one is also correct. And here we will apply a small formula, x minus y whole square. That means x square minus 2xy plus y square. X is 6, y 7. That means 6 square minus 2 times 6 times 7 plus 7 square, and this square root exactly remaining until here, plus 7. 6 square means 36 minus 2 times 6 times 7 is 84, and 7 square means 49, and this square root exactly here, plus 7 as it is. Now here at this stage of my calculation, what I did previously, I did a small mathematical engineering. What I did is this 36 remaining exactly as it is. Then I add 28, then add minus 28. This minus 84 remaining the same, plus 49 also remaining the same. What I did is plus 28 and minus 28 for a technical reason, and this plus 28 and minus 28, they cancel each other and remaining is 36 minus 84 plus 49 plus 49, which is exactly this one with this square root, plus 7. Here I didn't violate any ground rules of mathematics. Here also mathematically correct, and that also correct. Let's go in the next statement. I will consider these two parts and that two part together. 36 plus 28 is 64. Then minus 28 and minus 84 is minus 112. Before the larger one is sign is minus, so this is minus. Plus 49 remain as it is, and this is square root exactly here, plus 7. Now 64 can be rewritten as 8 square minus 112 can be elaborated like this way, 2 times 8 times 7 plus 49 can be rewritten as 7 square. This square root exactly remaining the same, plus 7. And then I can rewrite this part as x minus y whole square. That means 8 minus 7 whole square and then square root here plus 7. As I mentioned here that this square and this square root, they cancel each other and remaining is 6 minus 7. I am applying the same tricks here. This square and that square root, they cancel here, and I can rewrite this part 8 minus 7 plus 7. This minus 7 and plus 7, they cancel each other and remaining is 8. What does it mean? Means 3 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 8. I ask you a question, where I made the mistake in this entire calculation. Today I will reveal where exactly I made the mistake in this entire calculation. As I said, from here to here everything is correct. This mathematical statement also correct. That is also correct. Where I made the mistake is in this mathematical statement here exactly. I didn't follow the ground rules of mathematics at this point of my calculation. How? What will be here if I follow the ground rules of mathematics? Let me show you. If I follow the exact ground rules of mathematics, then after this mathematical statement, this will be like this way. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, and then 1 is square and remaining is square root, right? Plus 7, and then 1 square means 1 and square root on means plus minus 1 plus 7. Here we have two possible solution. Solution 1, when this 1 is plus 1, then solution will be 1 plus 7, which is equals to 8. And solution 2 will be when this is minus 1, then the answer will be minus 1 plus 7, which is equals to 6. Now look at here. If I consider plus 1, the answer is 8, and if I consider minus 1, the answer is 6. This is the correct answer that we had to consider. What I did first, I removed this square root and this square, which is the wrong. For what I have to do first, I have to calculate this 8 minus 7 part and then square root and square. I just did opposite way around. That's the reason of this entire error calculation. Hopefully you understand. So what you learn is, if you do a small mistake in the mathematical calculation, it would give you a completely different result and wrong result. So do not make any error in the mathematical calculation. Mathematics is really a beautiful part of science. I have similar question. Would you please tell me, is there any mistake here that I made? This is my question for you. If you know that, okay, if I made any mistake here as well, you can write it in the comment section. I'm open to discuss for you. Thank you very much for enjoying this video. I want your support. Please subscribe this channel. It will help me a lot. Thank you very much again. See you next time. Bye bye.